IELTS full speaking test. This is John. I'm gonna take your exam, so are you ready? What's your full name?
My name is Farhan Ahmed. You can call me Farhan.
Okay, Farhan. When do you get time to pursue your hobby?
My hobbies are reading books and listening to music. I can pursue both at my workplaces as well as at my home. I get some breaks of a few minutes at my office to satisfy my hobbies. However, I get more time for the same at my home during weekends and while on holidays.
How have your hobbies benefited to you?
My hobbies have given immense benefits to me. Reading books has helped me in understanding the life with a battery inside. I have learned and implemented the knowledge of books in both my life and my profession, which has enhanced my success at all levels. Next, music has always kept me fresh and energized, which is very important for someone who is in the teaching profession.
What type of hobbies do the people of your generation usually have?
People of my generation prefer to read books, listen to music, travel, watch movies, and so on. In addition, there are a few activities emerging as hobbies too. For example, surfing and chatting on the internet, playing games on mobiles and computers.
Why do hobbies keep changing from generation to generation?
I think changes in lifestyle and advancement in technology are instrumental behind the shift of hobbies over the generations. They offer more options to people to choose from and to pursue. For example, we can use the internet as a means to pursue our hobby, which was not available at all before a few decades.
What type of hobbies will the future generation have?
I think most hobbies of future generation will be based on technology. People will play virtual games, will travel in space, will explore underwater areas of oceans, make friends online, and share their lives with them.
Now I would like to give you a topic. You have to talk 1 or 2 minutes about this. Your topic is to describe your favorite domestic animals. What's it, how and why do you like it, benefits of keeping it, and how does it influence you?
My favorite animal is cow. I like it as it gives meat and milk to poor people. It is a very gentle animal and easy to maintain. Therefore, I like it. It is also a big protein source for people. Moreover, we use cattle for plowing. Poor people use cow dung as fuel in making huts. That's how it influences me.
Which is a better place for the animals, zoos or forests?
I think a forest is better over zoos for animals. Fosters are their natural habitat where they live in freedom, whereas zoos are man-made places where animals live a captive life.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of keeping animals in zoo?
As I stated above, zoos take the freedom of animals from them. Moreover, visitors often disturb animals in zoos. Animals can't live their natural life in zoos. However, zoos offer benefits to them like protection from predators, other animals, and natural calamities like flood, drought, fire, etc. In addition, they also get treatment from veterinary doctors so that they live a healthy life.
Why do you think people keep pets?
People keep pets for a variety of reasons. Some people keep pets because they feel lonely. Some people keep them to nurture them because of their sympathy towards animals, whereas some people keep pets for protection, and some have a hobby of taming animals.
How should we save the animals that are facing a danger of extinction?
The species that face a danger of extinction should be declared as endangered species. Their natural habitat should be converted into a sanctuary, and there should be severe punishment for those who kill them. What is more, some animals of that species should be taken to breeding centers where they can increase their numbers. After those baby animals mature, they should be introduced to their natural habitat.
Do you think we should use animal products, yes or no, and why?
We may use animal products provided they are made from dead bodies of animals, but we should never kill animals to make products out of their body parts. The government should create laws to protect animals from hunters. They should also declare wildlife sanctuaries if required. In addition, the government should ban animal products and their trade in the country. On the other hand, not only should we never kill animals for our benefits, but we should also prevent others from doing it.